Hello, good morning, students. Today, a poem we will discuss. Poem number 3, How to Tell Wild Animals from Your First Flight. The central idea of the poem. The poem How to Tell Wild Animals. How to tell means कैसे सिखाया जाता है जानवरों को. How to Tell Wild Animals by Caroline Wells revolves around the individual identities of various wild animals. Each and every wild animal has its individual identity. These identities are wild in the sense that these wild animals hunt other animals in a dangerous manner. These revelations of these wild animals hunting ways are described humorously. Their ways of hunting are described here by the poet humorously. How they hunt their victim, their prey. We come to know how these wild animals behave with their individual features. The poem educates the readers about these wild animals. Okay, its 3 stanzas we will discuss today. If ever you should go by chance, if ever you go by chance to jungles in the east, and if there should to you advance a large and tawny beast, if he roars at you as you are dying, you will know it is the Asian lion. Here, tawny means brownish yellow color, and whenever we go by chance means if you happen to go in any jungle in the east, which is situated in the east or eastern countries, and if there should to you advance, if and he says that if they happen to be in any forest in the east, they are likely to encounter a huge and fearful animal moving towards them. Many animals, fearful animals, you have to face in eastern jungles. A large and tawny beast. Large means very big, and tawny I told you, brownish yellow color. Beast means animal. A large and brownish yellow colored animal, if he roars, if you listen to him roaring at you as you are dying, ऐसे खतरे से वो अगर चिंघाड़ता है और आप उसके डर के कारण मरने जैसा महसूस कर रहे हो, then you will know it is the Asian lion. This is the main feature and characteristic of Asian lion. Or if sometime when roaming around a noble wild beast greets you. A noble means graceful look. If you face such kind of animal which is roaming and which is having a graceful look, however it is wild beast and it greets you with black strips, this animal is having black strips on its body and a yellow ground. Just notice if he eats you. नोट करो कि अगर वो आपको खाता है. This simple rule may help you learn the Bengal tiger to discern. This is the identification of which animal? This is the identification of the Bengal tiger. If strolling forth means walking leisurely, freely, in a very arrogant manner. Walking in an arrogant manner. If an animal, if you view strolling or walking in an arrogant manner freely, whose hide with spots is peppered. Hide means animal skin. उसकी स्किन जो है, उसकी चमड़ी विद स्पॉट्स, जिस पे ये धब्बे होते हैं गोल गोल, इज़ पेपर्ड मीन्स कवर्ड विद, हिज होल बॉडी इज कवर्ड विद दीज ब्लैक स्पॉट्स. एज सुन एज ही हैज़ लेफ्ट ऑन यू. लेफ्ट ऑन मीन्स जंप, यानी कि आपके ऊपर फेल अपॉन यू, झपटा हो. You will know it is the leopard. This is the characteristic of jumping upon anybody. Is the characteristic of a leopard. Leopard has this identification कि वो झपट्टा मारता है. It will do not good to roar with pain. Will be of no use. His roar is of no use. His roaring is in vain, without any purpose. वो फालतू में चिंगाड़ता है, दहाड़ता है और वो सिर्फ झपट्टा मारता है. He is only lap and lap again. और वो क्या है कि वो कौन सा उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है कि ही लीप एंड लीप. लैप एंड लैप मीन्स हियर लीप एंड लीप. विल जंप अगेन एंड अगेन. और करेगा कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ जंप करेगा वो, और ये उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. एंड दीज 3 स्टैंजा यू हैव टू लर्न बाय हार्ट. एंड इट्स rhyming scheme is come on the first line. Chance is rhyming the third line word, last word of the third line, advance. Chance with advance. Second line east. Fourth line, the last word beast. East with beast. Dying. Dying here is dine is in the short form of dying, dying. In this way you have to recognize its rhyme scheme. Just in a way, in short method I tell you. Chance A, advance A, then east B, beast B, then A B, like this. And whole poem you can prepare by yourself, its rhyming scheme. So these 3 stanzas I have explained before you, and you have to learn all these stanzas. Okay, next 3 stanzas we will complete in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.